Very good morning. Today we would be talking about IRA ranking. So far we were talking about NIRF ranking, which was very important for your NET examination. But this year you have IRA ranking. That's most important. It's for the first time that IRA ranking has been released. So let's first talk about what is IRA. We say it is Atal ranking of institutions for innovation achievement. So Atal ranking in name of Atal Bihari Vajpayee for ranking of institutions on innovation achievement. So the key idea is innovation and achievement. Now what has been taken into account are 7 parameters that we would be talking about today. What kind of questions can come up would be, first of all, what are the parameters, what is the weightage for each of the parameters that we would be talking about, under whom this program has been initiated. So this program has been initiated with MHRD, Government of India, to rank all the higher educational institutions that are there related to innovation and entrepreneurship development. So the first aspect here is budget. Budget, expense to support and revenue generation has been allotted 20 marks. So the overall ranking would have how much marks? It would have 100 marks on the go. So budget, expense to support, and you have the revenue generation, which has been awarded 20 marks, which has been categorized for 20 marks. Under facilities, we mainly have the infrastructure and the startups, which have been given 10 marks. Under awareness, it's promotion of ideas for generation of innovation. So that's being targeted with 20 marks. Entrepreneurship, one of the key ideas under this. So promoting and supporting the entrepreneur is really important in development of entrepreneurs. So 20 marks for this category. The next important category is IP, that's the intellectual property generation, commercialization and transfer of technology, being awarded 14 marks. Learning methods, the innovative learning methods and the outcomes for the same, given 10 marks. And the last is the innovation in the field of governance of the institutions, which has been provided 6 marks. So overall this makes up to be the 100 marks, which is very important. Now, as we said, total of 100 marks, and the institutions will be rank ordered based on their scores. Now, the implementing partners have been important. So, it's MHRD, INFLIPNET, UGC, AICTE and National Board of Accreditation. MIC is important. So, it is MHRD Innovation Cell, which specifically targets and focuses on innovation. As we said, generating high quality research, innovation and entrepreneurship is the key. Now, who have been the winners for this year's IRA award? Under the government category, it has been the IIT Madras, which is the winner, and under the private category, it's VIT Vellore Institute of Technology. So that's very important topic for your upcoming NDA examination. We'll be taking many important topics for you for your upcoming examination. So stay subscribed for the study material and information on the courses. Please follow the description below. Have a wonderful day ahead.